ni sa da ni pada gama pada ni re sa. When I start practicing like this, initially I felt it very difficult. But there were small exercises that helped me get to this kind of proficiency. Welcome back to my channel. In the last daily practice video, we did see the ascending notes, right? And that went something like this. Sari re re sari re re sari re sari re sari re ga 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 re ga 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 re ga ga re ga ga re ga ga ma 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 ga ma 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 ga ma ma ga ma ma ga ma. And the same thing we tried it in Akara also. So we tried the same thing in Akara, and this week we will try the descent, which is the Avarohanam of the Ragam. So for that, let's set our Shruti box in the scale A and get to the video. Let's sing a round of Ragam, our Ragam Charukeshi, in which we practiced, and then get to the descending exercise, okay? Sa re ga ma pa da ni sa ni da pa ma ga re sa. Once again. Sa re ga ma pa da ni sa ni da pa ma ga re sa. Very nice. So now let's see how the descending exercise is going to sound. Okay. So our pattern was 1 2 2 2 1 2 2 2 1 2 2 1 2 2 1 2. So this was our pattern. So the same thing in descending will be 8 7 7 7 8 7 7 7 8 7 7 8 7 7 8 7. Okay, which is nothing but sa ni 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 sa ni 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 sa ni ni sa ni ni sa ni, and we will continue the same way. Okay, ni da 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 ni da 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 ni da da ni da da ni da da pa 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 da pa 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 da pa pa da pa pa da pa pa ma 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 pa ma 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 pa ma ma pa ma ma pa ma ma ga 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 ma ga 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 ma ga ga ma ga ga ma ga ga re 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 ga re 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 ga re re ga re re ga re re sa 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 re sa 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 re sa sa re sa sa re sa. Simple, right? So we will try the same thing in a continuous manner. Sa ni 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 sa ni 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 sa ni ni sa ni ni sa ni ni da 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 ni da 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 ni da da ni da da ni da da pa 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 da pa 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 da pa pa da pa pa da pa pa ma 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 pa ma 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 pa ma ma pa ma ma pa ma ma ga 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 ma ga 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 ma ga ga ma ga ga ma ga ga re 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 ga re 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 ga re re ga re re ga re re sa 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 re sa 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 re sa sa re sa sa re sa. Very nice. Now we'll try the same thing a little faster, and then we will try and switch this to Akara. Okay? Sa ni 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 sa ni ni ni. Let's try in this space. Okay? Sa ni 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 sa ni 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 sa ni ni sa ni ni sa ni ni da 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 ni da 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 ni da da ni da da ni da da pa 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 da pa 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 da pa pa da pa pa da pa pa ma 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 pa ma 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 pa ma ma pa ma ma pa ma ga 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 ma ga 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 ma ga ga ma ga ga ma ga ga re 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 ga re 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 ga re re ga re re ga re re sa 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 re sa 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 re sa sa re sa sa re sa. Very nice. Once again. Sa ni 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 sa ni 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 sa ni ni sa ni ni sa ni ni da 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 ni da 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 ni da da ni da da ni da da pa 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 da pa 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 da pa pa da pa pa da pa pa ma 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 pa ma 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 pa ma ma pa ma ma pa ma ma ga 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 ma ga 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 ma ga ga ma ga ga ma ga ga re 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 ga re 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 ga re re ga re re ga re re sa 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 re sa 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 re sa sa re sa sa re sa. Beautiful. Now let's try to increase the pace a little more, and let's get a hold of this tongue twisting nature of this pattern. Okay, sani ni ni sani ni ni sani ni sani ni sani. Let's try in this pace. Sani ni ni sani ni ni sani ni sani ni sani ni da 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 ni da 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 ni da da ni da da ni da da pa 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 da pa 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 da pa pa da pa pa da pa pa ma 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 pa ma 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 pa ma ma pa ma ma pa ma ma ga 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 ma ga 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 ma ga ga ma ga ga ma ga ga re 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 ga re 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 ga re re ga re re ga re re sa 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 re sa 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 re sa sa re sa sa re sa. Very nice. Now let's switch this to akara. Okay, sa ni 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 sa ni ni ni. Let's try and switch this to akara. When I say akara, what you do? You only switch all these notes into the syllable a. Okay? So, sa ni 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 sa ni 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 will become a. Okay? So that is nothing but akara. So let's try and switch this to akara. Okay? Very nice. One very important thing while you're trying things in akara is make sure you hit all the notes. Okay, sa ni 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 must be heard as a. Okay, a must be heard as sa ni ni ni. Okay, so you should hit all those notes. You can't sing a. You can't do that. Okay, sa ni sa ni. That is nothing but just you're singing two notes, right? So this is very important while you're trying to switch things to akara. Okay, only then you will be able to switch anything to akara. Unless and until you don't learn to hit all the notes, you will not be able to do that. Okay, for example, nisa 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 dhani 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 pada 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 gama pada nisa. So all these things will be possible only when you learn to hit all the notes, right? So when you heard me sing akara and the swaras, it sounded the same because whenever I practice akara, I make sure that I hit all the notes. That's why I'm able to clearly sing the notes also in akara. Okay, so that is very, very important when you practice akara. Okay, so with this in mind, let's try the same exercise but in a little faster pace. Okay, sa ni 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 sa ni 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 sa ni ni sa ni ni sa ni. Let's try in this pace. Very nice. Let's try this once again. Very nice. Do you think we'll be able to sing it a little more faster? Let's see if we can do that. Okay. Sa ni 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 sa ni 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 sa ni ni sa ni ni sa ni. Let's try in this pace. Okay. Let's see if we can do it. Last towards the end I kind of slipped a little bit, but yeah, we were able to do. But I think we will still need more practice to get to a proficiency with this, right? So that was our video for today. I hope you all had fun. Practice is always fun, so make sure you have fun and laugh at your own mistakes. That's very, very important. Okay, so if you enjoyed this video, please do mention that in the comment sections below. And if you liked my video and my teaching style, please do share this with your friends and family. Let them also have fun, and do keep supporting me. And for all those who stayed till the very end, there was a secret image that popped up somewhere in the middle of the video. If you are able to find that, please do mention what the image was and the timestamp along with it. And I'll give a special mention for the person who had found that in my next video. Let's see who can find that, okay? So with that, I will sign off for today, and I'll see you soon with yet another beautiful video next week. Till then, take care and keep singing.